How to withdraw from KuCoin to a bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing on both of the methods by which you can withdraw from KuCoin to bank account. First and foremost, launch the KuCoin mobile application and log in into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on the Assets tab, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping on it, you will land to this page, and by default, you will be on your overview page. Next up, tap on the Funding tab just next to it, and then select the Withdraw option. Now let's discuss method 1, which would be transferring the crypto via another exchange. So for this, you can select the crypto option, withdraw the desired cryptocurrency to another exchange such as Binance, and use that exchange to convert crypto to fiat and transfer it to your bank account. Likewise, there is another method as well, in that you can tap on the fiat tab on the top of the withdrawal page and see the list of fiat currencies. Select the currency you would like to withdraw, enter the amount you would like to transfer. Then next step would be selecting the bank account option, providing the necessary bank account details, and once all of this is done, tapping on confirm to initiate the transfer. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.